So hi class, today we are going to start our next topic, and the topic is difference between RAM and ROM. So let us see what is the difference between RAM and ROM. RAM and ROM both are type of computer memory. RAM is used to store computer programs, data that CPU needs in a real time. RAM data is volatile and is erased once computer is switched off. So when we switch off the PC or computer, the data will be erased from RAM, that is random access memory. ROM have pre-recorded data and it is used to boot computer. RAM data is static and remains in the computer even if the computer is switched off. ROM data, not RAM. Following are the important differences. So see here. RAM is volatile, present till power supply is present, whereas ROM is permanent, remains after power supply is not present. Data access is RAM data can be read, erased and modified. ROM data is read only. Usage: RAM is used to store data that CPU needs for current instruction processing. ROM is used to store data that is needed to bootstrap the computer. Speed: RAM computer speed is quite high. ROM speed is slower than RAM. CPU can access data stored on RAM, whereas data to be copied from RAM to ROM to RAM so that CPU can access its data. Capacity of RAM is higher, larger, and ROM capacity is low capacity and small capacity. These are some input devices and output devices example you can see here. This is USB, again flash drive USB, also known as flash drive. This is microphone, voice recognition, and this is your CD and DVD. These are the examples. So keep in mind for this. Next, again input output devices. This is your scanner. This is again scanner. This is hard disk, and this is your memory card. Floppy disk. This is an example of floppy disk. This is the oldest portable device that could store up to 1.44 MB, but nowadays it is not in use, so you will not find it anywhere. So this is the example. It looks like this. Next we have Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc, this is high capacity disc, also known as BD, and always remember it is single layer as well as double layer, dual layer. So this is Blu-ray digital optical disc data storage format. It was designed to dimension 120 mm, this millimeter, 4.7 inch in diameter, and 1.2 mm is also available. Extended from DVD. This is the copy of DVD only. Capacity is 25 GB, that is single layer, and 50 GB is dual layer. Next we have cloud storage. This is not a device, this is cloud storage. So remember one thing, cloud storage is computing model in which data is stored, remote servers, accessed from the internet. It is maintained, operated and managed by a cloud storage service provider on a storage server that are built on virtualization technology or techniques. So this is the example of cloud storage. So here you can store anything, your contacts, your email, your file, your message, your important documents, anything you can store here. An example is OneDrive and Google Drive, mostly used. Next we have printers. What is printer? Printer is an output device that is used to take the hard copy. So here, printer that accepts text and graphics output from computer and transfer the information on paper, usually to standard size sheet of paper. Printers, they vary in size, speed and sophistication. and cost also. The inkjet sprays ink from an ink cartridge at very close range to paper as it rules by. Types of printer, we have two types. First one is impact printer. Impact printers form images and characters by striking a mechanism, and that mechanism such as a printer which prints hammer or wheel against an inked ribbon, leaving an image on the paper. So it is just like hammer which prints dots on a paper without printing any extra thing. Non-impact printers form characters and images without direct physical contact between printing and paper. So these are the example of non-impact. Inkjet, laser, these are non-impact printers. Whereas impact printers, example is dot matrix printer. So here it will come automatically. You insert the paper, automatically you will get the paper without any noise. This is non-impact, no direct contact between paper and printer. Next, difference between primary and secondary memory. So primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is temporary, secondary memory is permanent. Primary memory is directly accessible. Secondary memory is not directly accessible with CPU. Nature of parts of primary memory: RAM volatile in nature, ROM non-volatile. Whereas secondary memory, this is always non-volatile. Primary devices are more expensive than secondary devices. Here secondary devices are less expensive when compared to primary devices. The memory devices used for primary memory are semiconductor memories. Secondary memory devices are magnetic and optical memories. Primary memory is known as main memory and internal memory. Secondary memory is known as external memory and also known as auxiliary memory. Example of primary memory: RAM, ROM, cache memory. Example of secondary memory: hard disk, floppy disk, magnetic disk, USB, pen drive, flash drive. There are a number of drives available. So keep in mind and remember these differences. Make a note also and send me on my WhatsApp. So I'll keep waiting. For the time being, that's all. Thank you. Stay safe, keep learning.